Hi everyone, it's Vinnie Power here, and we're just going to make a very nourishing healing face cream with frankincense oil today. So what we're going to be using is going to be shea butter, so it's very nourishing and great for your skin. You can also use cocoa butter, but the shea butter is better because cocoa butter can clog your pores if you're prone to acne. Okay, so I've melted the shea butter in a double broiler, so it's melted, and so I had 1 cup of the shea butter, and then so I'm just putting it in a bowl, and I'm putting in so I had half a cup of shea butter, and then I'm doing a quarter cup of coconut oil, and 2 teaspoons of the jojoba oil, which is amazing for your skin. And 2 tablespoons of the almond oil. So these oils have so many healing benefits for your skin, and it's so much better than buying the ones from the shop, which are full of chemicals and toxins and refined, so it's not going to have those benefits that you're looking for, and it's going to be so much cheaper than buying them as well. Okay, so I've just mixed those oils together. I'm going to put this in the fridge to let it cool, and then we're going to blend it all up with the frankincense oil, and I'll come back and show you that in a minute. Okay, so I've got this shea butter, melted shea butter with the coconut, almond and jojoba oil, and that's been cooled in the fridge. Now it's hard. So now we're going to mix it up with a mixer. Okay, and then frankincense oil in there. So I'm doing about 40 drops. This is going to last you, at least a couple of months. So that didn't take very long at all. And you can just get a jar like this, or one that you've already, an old one you've already used. You can get them from the reject shop or online. So yeah, so that's going to make probably 3 little jars. You can have one for yourself, your friend or your daughter. It's so easy and so healthy, and there's nothing in it that you wouldn't even eat yourself, so it's fabulous. So you can use other oils as well. You can use lavender, tea tree, different oils that are really good for the skin, geranium, rose oil. Okay, thanks for that.